What is retro matte? Well, retro matte is ULTRAFIT's super satin PPF. So a lot of times you have like matte finishes and satin finishes, and most people don't know the difference between those. But a satin finish actually has a lot more of a sheen to it. It's a very rich looking film, where the matte film has way less reflections on it. Preference on which one you like more, but on light colors, I love the way the satin films looks. And on this Juniper Y, we did XP Retro Matte on it, and it looks awesome. This is actually the Quicksilver color. So we did a full wrap on this car. After that, we did a full ceramic coating on everything that Christian's finishing up right now. And along with coating like the film, we coated all the trim, the wheels, the glass, and we even baked the car so that it's all super cured and ready to go out in the rain today. But I'd like to take a second just to show some of the finer points of our install. This bumper is super hard to do in one piece. Most people would leave a line right here, but we actually got this down in one piece all the way to the edge. So if you imagine you have a flat film right here, a lot of tension on it, to cut it without it like splitting or getting pulled back and still being able to tuck it in here, pretty hard to do, but we've already mastered that as we've done probably 30 or 40 Juniper Ys at this point. And along with doing that, we also like to make sure we protect everything else. We wrap the lights. So this car is all ready to rock for the street, and we even finished it off to make it extra cool with 3M crystalline window tint. I know our customer's gonna love it. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OC Detailing.